Number 2. Expand x minus 4 into bracket x minus 9. Solution. We have x minus 4 into bracket x minus 9. Now, what is the first thing to do? The first binomial expression, this is the first binomial expression, which is x minus 4. The second binomial expression is x minus 9. Now, from the first binomial expression, the first term is what? Is x. We are going to use it to multiply the second binomial expression, which is x minus 9. What operation symbol are we seeing here? Minus. So we put the minus. Then we have 4, which is the second term, which make it to be minus 4 as the second term in the first binomial expression. Then we write it and multiply it with what? The whole of second term in the whole of second binomial expression. Take note. X minus 9. Now we use the first one, x, multiply everything. Then the next term, which is minus 4, multiply everything in the second binomial expression. Now let's expand the bracket. X times x, x squared. Now x times minus 9, we have minus 9x. Now we have minus 4 times x, minus 4x. Minus 4 times minus 9. Minus times minus is what? Is plus. So we have what? Plus. Then 4 times 9, that is what? 36. Now this will give us x squared minus, we now have minus 9 minus 4. What's that? Minus 9 minus 4 is minus 13. Why? We just need to add 9 plus 4. What do we have? 13. And both numbers are negative. 9 plus 4, 13. Then you put minus in the front. That is minus 13. Minus 13x. Then plus what? Plus 36. That is the solution to the problem. Thank you.